Hello, welcome to ValueSpectrum.com. Today we analyze one of the large cap companies on United States market. We click this button, Prices, choose United States market and also choose United States large caps index. Now we will check stocks of Apple company. To begin with, let's look at the highest and the lowest price of its company stocks during last 12 months. As can we see from this report, the highest price during last 12 months was $170.96 and the lowest price was over $90. Let's look at the details of stocks of Apple company. As we see from this report, our company works in technology sector and to be exact in hardware and equipment subsector. Here we can find recommendations about this company. We see 0 sell, 2 hold and 23 buy recommendations. Also we can find information about the last price. Here it is over $170 and the average price target. Here it is $129.44. If you'd like to calculate the expected return, just subtract from the last price the average price, and here you get a negative value about minus $12 per stock. Also we can see at the graphs, we can choose the longest period and see almost steady growth of this company stocks, and only here we see some jumps of price and here are some failure. If you'd like to find annual reports of this company, just click this button and download it full for free. So let's look at the results of Apple company. As we can see from this report, revenues are likely to increase during last 8 years. Its minimum level was at the beginning in 2008 and maximum level in 2015. About the costs, we see almost the same situation as with revenues. Its minimum level in 2008 over $27 million and maximum level in 2015 over $180 million. About the profits of Apple company, we also see the steady growth, but in 2012 we see that the level was much more higher than in 2011. Let's look at the balance sheet. As we see from the balance sheet, the equity of Apple company was rising during last 8 periods. We see steady growth from 2008 to 2013, and after this period in 2014 and 2015 the amount of equity decreased. About the total assets, we see almost the same situation, but the growth kept, and in 2015 it got its maximum level of over $290 million, but for the beginning this amount was over $39 million. Also we can see the information about employees. As we can see here, in 2014 there were 110,000 employees in Apple company. Let's go to the details. As we see here, The earnings per share was raised during last 8 years and got to the maximum level in 2015, as you can see here, $9.28 per share. The minimum level of this indicator was at the beginning of this period less than $1 in 2008. About price-earnings ratio, we see the highest result in 2008 and the minimum result in 2012. Here we also can analyze the number of stocks of Apple company. I should admit that the change of numbers of stocks wasn't significant during last 8 years, but as we can see, it get to the minimum level in 2015. We see that Apple had over 5 million stocks on the market. Also, we can analyze such indicator as market capitalization, which reached in 2015 over $656 million. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Use well your Spectrum. Goodbye.